Greetings anglers, as I record this, we here in Washington State are still in a no fishing lockdown. Hopefully it'll end soon, but it's probably going to be at least a few more weeks. I am continuing in my little short series of things we can prep right now and put away so that when we do have some fresh catch later on, we have to serve with it. A few weeks ago, I did these preserved lemons. I got a couple jars of these. I don't know how well you can see it on the video, but they're getting nice and soft and supple in there. The bubbly texture is smoothing out, which means they're getting close. It's been, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. I figure another 2 or 3 weeks they'll be ready to go. Sad thing is these will probably be ready before we can fish, but what are you gonna do? Today I made some jars of fennel relish. Fennel is a really nice underused vegetable. It's pretty inexpensive too. It has kind of a licorice flavor to it, and I know a lot of people don't like that, but when you make it like this, it mellows all that out. You get something that's a little bit tangy, a little bit sweet, and it goes great with salmon, it goes great with cod, it goes great with tuna actually too. But right now, actually, a little peek behind the curtain, I'm having some with some coho I have in the freezer. Well, I made it, had it still fresh. I just pan-seared off this coho with a little salt and pepper and topped it with the fennel relish. It's really good. You know how it is with fish. You want to keep it pretty basic. You don't want to overcomplicate the dish with the flavor of the seafood to come through. But a nice condiment on hand can really elevate your dinner. So this is what I like. It's simple. You throw your fish on the grill or in the pan, in the oven, however you like to cook it, and just top it with a little bit of this, and you've got a really great meal. So check it out. I'll show you how I made this. It's really pretty easy. It takes about 45 minutes to cook. That's pretty much all in the saute pan. And what you get is something that still has a little bit of crunch to it, has a nice pop of flavor, and it's real simple. It's going to be just some sliced fennel, some sliced onions, a little bit of garlic, lemon juice, orange juice, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar. I diced up an apple and threw it in there. It's a nice touch, I think. And just cook that down. But check out the video, you'll see the procedure. And hey, we're still stuck at home, guys, so do this now. You'll have it later on when the season opens up, and you'll be glad you did. All right, watch this video and enjoy. Talk to you guys soon.
Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. I've tried this, tried that, tried everything. Coming right back, right back. Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear.
All right, so it's the next night, and I just want to put a little button on this Fennel Relish thing. Out on my deck, you can hear the cars going by, little after dark grilling. And I just grilled up some elk burgers. Obviously, this is more for the hunters rather than the fishermen. But I just did up some elk burgers, and I put some of that Fennel Relish on this. This is ridiculous. I also put a little bit of that Yancey's, what's it called? The Yancey's Hatch Chili Cheddar. I love the stuff on burgers, but on the elk burgers with the Fennel Relish and that and some lettuce and tomato, dude, try that. So versatile stuff with the Fennel Relish. You gotta try it.